All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I decided to support the company that supports me, one of many that support me, and it's Supcase Unicorn Beetle. So having the blue iPhone is a pretty eclectic color, and there's different cases I've purchased, and they pretty much go with it. But I wanted to get something, I wanted to buy it, so I went on the Supcase, and they have this Unicorn Beetle style azure color, and I wanted to try it out and see how it would go. So pretty excited. Gonna get right into it because again, this color is a very nice color, and I thought this will be a good addition to it. And you know what, I like it already. I've had this color before, but it wasn't called azure. I'm going to clean the device up. I'm going to put it on and test it out for you, and get my wireless charger as well. So let's peel the inside off, because I know it's probably one on the inside. Before we do so, this is one of the best feeling style of cases that companies could make, with this soft touch matte feel. And I like how it has the powder blue accents along with the other color, deeper blue there, and the powder blue goes around the camera. It's raised a little bit, and obviously you have the see-through clear backing to show the color of your device. It doesn't have to be this color. I think this will look good with the black or the white. Or just any of the colors, I think, whatever your combination is. But wanted to go ahead and show you this. And the inside, you got that actual drop corner protection, little air pockets in each corner. So this isn't just a good looking case. This is a case that will protect. You got a spot down here for a lanyard. And then the buttons should have really nice feedback and travel on them, from what I can tell. And obviously you have the spot here for your vibrate mute switch. And then you've got your ports along there. So now let's go ahead and, and a little bit of Supcase branding down here on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get this clear one off the center here. Keep it face down, and let's get it put on here. This is a fairly affordable case too. Oh yeah, I like this. This is the case. Yeah, so getting the back off here. I like that. And now I have this beautiful case to showcase my phone. And this just highlights my phone so much. It really accents it very well because of the color. And it's just such a beautiful, this would actually look really good with the white too. Probably more the white than the black, but let's see if I can get my wireless charging to work with this. This is an old wireless charger, folks. It's very finicky. It is. It fights me all the time. There we go. But it still works, and wireless charging works. So I also have this MagSafe style. Did it keep charging? I must have moved it. It works though, folks. I use this wireless charger all the time. It's just an old, this thing is about, what, 2 or 3 years old, I think. But nonetheless, it works. And then I have this MagSafe style here, and I wonder if it'll lock on. It locks on, but it needs to be touching directly on the phone, so it'll fall right off. But, oh no. Okay, yeah, I had to get in the right place. So it's actually, shaky cam. It's actually pretty sturdy, so let's turn it on here. And it is charging as well. So I just had to get it down right in the center where the MagSafe portion is, and looks like it's not falling off too easy. It's actually centered right on there, so if you decide to pick this up, it's centered. Maybe I'll leave a link to this down below too. But yeah, I have a tempered glass on here, so you see the cutouts and everything go around nice and tight. It's lined up perfectly. Push it in. And then there's a small lip around the case as well, to make sure if you place it face down, you're going to have some protection if you didn't have a screen protector on there. So let's get this off for a second here. So wireless charging is a go. And it's just the wireless chargers I'm using because these have like a slant. This has like a slant in it, like this. So it kind of scoops out. But if you use a wireless charger that's going to be able to sit like right on, this will wireless charge with ease. As a matter of fact, this is my favorite charger here. Let me try my Anchor real quick. See if I can get a cable long enough over here to plug it into my super fast charger. And let's plug it here. And you can see it lit up. And this is the one for MagSafe, and it tilts. But obviously this case is on here, so it probably won't be able to tilt. But boom, there it is, it's charging. So yeah, this is a huge plus to be able to use this like this with the case on, because while I do not use wireless charging very often, I definitely use wireless charging. So Supcase has supported me in so many ways. I went on the website and I bought a few things, and I'll show you what's coming up next. Stay tuned. But here it is, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the unicorn style. This is a beautiful case. Let me see. The official name here is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Style, and this is the azure color. As you can see there, this is just a simple packaging it comes in, obviously. But this is a beautiful, beautiful case, and it deserves to be in a beautiful phone, on a beautiful phone. So there you have it, folks. It's your man Jay. Wow, I'm feeling this, and I'm happy it finally came in. I chose free shipping, and it took forever. It took like a week or so for all my stuff to get here. So got something in this box too, gonna show you. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.